Hi, I'm Alexis Carpinello with AC & Co. at Elegance Forbes Global Properties, and this is 401 West End Ave, 6F. The building was built in 1900, and you can see this in its ornate red facade. It's not one of those massive Upper West Side pre-war structures. It is a true boutique community. When you walk through the doors to 401 West End, you're immediately enveloped in its coziness. The intimate reception area, the sitting room, the doorman handing you off your mail. From there, you take the elevator to the apartment and you're greeted by these picturesque windows and glimpses of the Hudson River. It really is a jewel box of a home. Even the shapes of the rooms evoke that 20th century avant-garde feeling that was just starting to awaken in New York at that time. Your living space is south-facing and you wake to northern light in the bedroom, so you're getting the absolute best of both worlds in terms of exposure. The den can be embraced as a dining area, guest room with Murphy bed, nursery, or a home office. And because of the generous dimensions and windows in the living room, you have the option of keeping it open or splitting it off into 2 rooms. You know, at first, it's the charm that draws you into this home, but what is really unique here is also what you can't see. It offers a lot of opportunity that you typically can't get in the central Upper West Side neighborhood. Co-ops are more approachable in price point for purchasers than condos, but they usually have strict down payment and subletting restrictions. 401 West End allows 20% down payment for purchasers, whereas many cooperatives require 25 to 30% down or more. And the building also allows unlimited subletting for a small annual fee. This is extremely rare and makes the property particularly appealing for investors or primary homeowners who want the opportunity to rent at a later date. But despite the investment value, the majority of owners in this building are primary homeowners, so you're still getting that neighborly feeling with this home, while adding an asset to your portfolio that offers flexibility you may need down the line. I really love that this home can grow with you. It's one of the many things I find so welcoming about it. Thank you for stopping by. Please reach out to experience 6F for yourself.